Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a bio to your TikTok profile. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner that says profile. It's going to take us to our profile page. After that, we're going to click on the rectangle that says edit profile. That's right below following, followers, and likes. And it's going to take us to our account, about you, settings. So the fourth option we have is bio. So we're going to go out and click on add bio. As you can see, now we don't have a bio, so we're going to add one. For example, online tutorials. Join us. And we're going to click on save to lock in the changes. As you can see, when we go back, you're going to see online tutorials. Join us on your account. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.